Having a balanced data set is crucial for training a model which is not biased towards a specific class. Let's start off with an example. Here I have a I dataset which has a column, the first column being the file name of the images, and the second column being the values of 0 and 1, which means if the person in the picture is wearing a glass or not. So let's use this data set in this video to balance out the values. To read a CSV file, we would require Pandas. So firstly, we import Pandas as PD. Next, we use the Pandas read CSV function to read the CSV into a variable called dataset. And we see the head of the dataset as it's normally done. The head returns the first 5 values or the head of the CSV file. In this case, we just have a feel of how the CSV file looks like. So the first column is the image names or the file names. The second column is the value of 0 and 1. So let's see if the dataset is balanced or not. For this, we just take in the value column of the take in all of values of the value column of the dataset and count the values using the value count function. So as you can see, the number of zeros in this column are well over 6.5 thousand, where number of ones is just 1.6 thousand. So it's more than 3-4 times. I tend to undersample, which is removing some of the excess data from the zero and just taking as much as 0 as there are ones in the dataset. For this reason, I group by the entire dataset into a value and apply a lambda function, which takes the samples and returns specific number of equal values. For in this case, let's take just 1600. So let's just put 1600 here, and it's done. Let's take the new value. As you can see, the new dataset variable contains 1600 ones and 1600 zeros. That's all.